So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video I'm just gonna discuss about latent high-res fix and non-latent high-res fix workflow on Comfy UI. Let me tell you guys, before beginning this video, let me show you some of the images that I wanted to share you because this video is very important. So as you can see, this is the first image. This is a simple text to image that I am showing you with 512 by 512. The next thing, as you can see, this is a real SR gun. You can see on over here real SR gun X4 simple upscaled image over here. So this is the result that I got with the upscale of text to image with real SR gun upscaler. And the next thing, the latent high-res fix. Just see the details over here. So the next result, this is the latent high-res fix result. As you can see, pretty amazing and pretty detailed result, right guys? Isn't it pretty interesting? So let me once again show you. This is just a simple real SR gun upscaler, and this is a latent high-res fix upscaler. So isn't it amazing guys? So that's why I am making this video in detail. And now let me show you non-latent high-res fix as well. Basically this is a non-latent high-res fix result. Definitely amazing result over here as well. But if I compare it with the latent high-res fix, this is a latent high-res fix result and it's pretty amazing, right? So let's get started guys. Basically in today's video I'm just gonna compare both non-latent and latent high-res fix on Comfy UI. And as you can see, this is a workflow that is created by one of my friend. I will come to you in a detail, but let me tell you one thing guys. This is a total workflow. As you can see, there are 4 things going on over here. Let me clearly tell you. The first thing is a text to image section, and this is the output of the text to image section. You can see this is a purple thing going on text to image. So basically it's simple to understand. This is simple text to image output. The second thing that is going on over here is a non-latent high-res fix in which an upscale model is used. Like you can see, real SR gun is used, and basically in this non-latent high-res fix there are 2 output. One is simple latent upscale output, real SR gun output. You can see over here simple real SR gun X4 output, and the second output over here is the upscale. Basically the second output is a downscale image, and yeah, non-latent high-res image. You can see over here this is the second output of the non-latent high-res fix. And the fourth thing here is latent high-res fix setup over here. Okay, so this is on the bottom, you can see on green, this is latent high-res fix going on over here. And now let me tell you guys, if you find this workflow very difficult, you can see this is a long workflow. As I've already explained you, this workflow is done by one of my friend on my Discord server. It's very easy to upload these loadouts guys, and let me thank once again Paulo, who has created these workflows on my Discord server. So you can join our Discord server and get the workflows from over here. Let me tell you guys, there are so many workflows going on, and yes, there are some of the peoples also contributing in our server. So if you want that latent high-res fix and non-latent high-res fix, you can see over here it's already on our Discord server. You just need to download this PNG. It's very easy to upload this workflow guys. As you can see over here, I was already working on these workflows, and let me tell you how to upload this. So you can see this is the workflow, and if I want a different workflow like this workflow, so just move that image on the Comfy UI and paste it. As you can see, the workflow is loaded over here. So this is basically a text to image that I was working earlier on. And if you want the high-res fix workflow, and now let me drag this. As you can see, yeah, let's drag it, and you can see it was already text to image workflow. And now if I paste it over here, it's very simple to load the workflow. So that's the thing that I wanted to talk about, and thanks once again for Paulo in order to create this workflow. Basically this is just for testing the images, and yeah, let's begin the testing. And now let's generate the image and let's see what result do we get. Okay guys, now as you can see, I have already got the 4 results over here. All of the 4 results are ready, and now let me show you the real difference over here. So first thing we will open is the simple text to image output. So yeah, you can see this is a simple text to image output 512 by 512, and yes, there are details going on. But if I move on to the next output, let's go simple with real SR gun upscaler. That's the simple output, and you can see the details over here. Not that great, it's just like cartoonish type details going on over here. So that's the simple real SR gun X4 output, and now see the difference over here. And now let me show you the next result. So you can see this is a latent high-res result, and yeah, definitely the details going on over here. You can see the details on the roof, see the details on the fire, on the houses, on the roofs. All of the details are pretty pretty amazing and a very detailed images. So it's very interesting guys. Latent high res is very interesting and I was so amazed about this thing. So that's the reason why I am making this video in a detail, and you can see just a latent high res, simple latent high res upscale. Yeah, definitely amazing over here. And the next output you can see, you can definitely see this is a non-latent high res fix, and in this you can see you can compare it. There are details going on over here as well, but compared to the latent high res fix, you can see the latent high res fix has a lot of details. So that is the result that I got. Pretty interesting, right? Latent high res fix. And now let's check on to different prompt as well. Let's go with different prompt and let's see what result do we get. So guys, this time I went on with a different prompt and I select a red car over here. Okay, so these are the result that I got, and if I show you the main result, you can see I got the 4 results. So first of all, let's open simple text to image result. So you can see this is a simple text to image result 512 by 512, and yes, there are amazing details going on over here as well. Not a high resolution image, but yes, this image is amazing. And now see the next image. So this is a simple real S Argon X4 image, and yeah, you can see the details are pretty amazing. But if you see the result over here on the road side, it's not that great. It's totally not a great image if you see, look closely, but yes, the details are amazing. And now if I show you latent high res fix, see this guys, I just opened this is a latent high res fix, and see the details over here guys. It's pretty amazing, right? Let me show you once again. This was simple real S Argon X4 simple upscale, and look at this is latent high res fix. See the details guys, it's pretty amazing and a pretty detailed result as well. So that's why I said earlier as well, that's why I'm making this video, and it's very important and yes, very easy to go and work with this workflow as well. So this is a latent high res fix, and the next image you can see this is a non-latent high res fix. So basically amazing result over here as well on non-latent high res as well, but I just loved the result on latent high res. So yeah, I'm just loving this thing, and thanks once again to the Paulo in order for showing me this. It's amazing guys. Let's check once again and let's see what result do we get next time. So guys, this time I went on with a yellow car, and you will now actually see the difference over here. So let's go to the result directly and let's see what result do we got. So this first one is a simple text to image. Definitely see amazing result over here as well. If I zoom, so this is the result that I got, and if I show you simple real S Argon upscale, you can see this is the result that I got, right? Just look closely on this image first of all, and now you will see the actual difference. Now let me show you latent high res fix and see this. You see this? It's pretty amazing, right? I'm just loving the latent high res fix. It's amazing. Once again I will show you, this is just a real S Argon X4 simple upscale, and you can see this is a latent high res fix. See the details over here, amazing details going on the, what you can say, this, I don't know what it is this, but yeah, the details on this image are pretty amazing on latent high res fix. And what if I show you non-latent high res fix? Yeah, definitely amazing result over here as well. Okay, non-latent high res is also working great, but compared to that I can definitely say this one latent high res fix is pretty amazing. Lot of details. So let me once again show you what I was using. Let's go. I was using a real vision model. I was using a realistic vision model. So that's the only thing that I was using, and yeah, that's the thing that I wanted to discuss about guys. This is just like 4 things going on over here, as I've already explained you. You don't need 4 of this thing, you just need latent high res fix. So that's the only thing that you need to do, and yes, definitely I will make a simple workflow of latent high res fix as well, non-latent high res fix as well, text to image as well, and yeah, simple workflows will be uploaded on my Discord server as well. So feel free to join. You can get easy workflows from my Discord server, and yeah, they are pretty amazing. So that's the thing that I wanted to talk about latent high res fix and non-latent high res fix. Let me know in the comment section below guys, what do you think, which is great. And once again, thanks to Paulo and some of the members who are creating workflows on my Discord server. Come join our Discord server and you can get it easily. It's so simple to drag. Just you need to drag the images over here, download this image and drag it on Comfy UI. So I hope so guys you like this video, and yes, I will be back with more and more videos tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Bye guys, love you all guys. Bye guys.